Hey Doves, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kemora, and in this video I'll be showing you how to go from this to this. If you want to see more, keep on watching. So yes guys, I'm gonna give you a hookup, right? I discovered this is by Impress. It's a one-step gel nail system. When I say it like that, it sounds like more extravagant than it really is, but it's one of these. I think it's one of the best ones I've seen so far. This is in the oval shape, and yeah, like, can you see that? You see all that bling? Can you see that? Like, I'm looking forward to wearing these. I'm going somewhere, like I literally have somewhere to be in maybe 2 hours or less, and I need my nails to look snatched, and I don't have the time to go and see a nail technician. So I'm gonna try these out, and hopefully they will work. Hopefully I won't look stupid, and hopefully they won't fall off my fingers. Like, I hope they won't fall off my fingers. And just to give you some more details, this is a gel finish. It comes with 30 nails, and then it has, well, it says including 6 accent nails, so I think the accent nails are included in the 30 nails overall. It comes with a sticky tab on the inside, but I personally like to use glue, like nail glue. I like to use some nail glue to hold it in place. You can use whichever nail glue you want to use. It doesn't matter. You don't have to use nail glue. Like, just putting that out there. If you're more like protective, or you're more careful of what you put on your nails, you don't have to use nail glue. But I find that it holds better when you use the nail glue. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this is going to look like. We're gonna go ahead now and remove it to see what we're working with. And as I said, it comes with different sizes. I already know my size for each finger. I wrote that down some time ago. It saves time. So if this is your first time, you can just spend the extra, you know, maybe 10 minutes trying to figure out what size works best for you, and the next time it will be much easier. So before I go any further, let me get this clear. Disclaimer. I am not a professional. I am not a nail technician. I'm not a hand model. I don't have the prettiest of hands. My mommy always tell me that from I was little, that I had ugly hands. Hey mom. But anyway, I'm just hooking you guys up. She told me that my face pretty, by the way. She said I have a pretty face, but my hands are ugly. So I should keep my nails short. So that's why I'm getting the hookup with these. Anyways, I'm just gonna dump everything out so I can see what I'm working with. So for the pinky, I wear 10. For my ring finger, I wear 4. For my middle finger, I wear 3. For my index finger, I wear 5. And for my thumb, I wear 1. So that you could possibly, if you have like maybe bigger fingers, you could try that, because I think my fingers are a little bigger than maybe some people. So if you can use that as reference. If not, just feel free to use what works for you. All right. Quick tip, guys. Sometimes the accent ones, you'll really want to wear those, but then you'll not find anything that matches. So you just have to do something. Just make something work. All right. If you have to file it down, you file it down. If you have to cut it on, you cut it on, because you do want that bling, right? You do want to make it look really nice. So you might have to, you know, like, make it work. What I recommend is whenever you find a size that works, you pair it, and then you start with whichever hand is your dominant hand. I would say try to work on that hand, because if you're right-handed and you do your left hand first, it might be a little harder with the nails, with the fake nails on, to do your right hand. If you're not someone who, you know, like to do your own nails and things, if you paint your nails all the time, I think it might be a little easier. So that's just a quick tip. So I would suggest you use the less dominant hand and do, you know, the hand that you're good at using. Hopefully that made sense. So I'm gonna go in with my, I usually start with any finger I feel like starting with. So I'm just gonna go in with my first nail, and if you look closely you can see the gel inside. And if my nails look janky or wonky or weird, it's because maybe makeup in it, because I did my makeup already. I did my makeup and I might have some foundation in my finger, so please, it's not dirty. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with the nail glue. And just put a little. If you want to know which part goes at the top, where the number is written, that's the top. So you just, let me try and set my hands so you can see. So you're gonna just like set it down like that, and press down. And you want to apply as much pressure as possible. You want to like hold it pressed down. So when you're doing that, you're basically bonding the gel and the glue, the nail glue. Not the gel, you're bonding the sticky tab and the nail glue that you put on. You're applying the pressure, and it's, you know, helping it to adhere to your whole nail. And I try to press it evenly just so it's secure. And okay, first nail down, many more to go. Down, guys. What do you think? I love it. I love it so far. This is like bougie on a budget. Like, this is what you call bougie on a budget. But I think it looks really good. But is it me? Like, comment and tell me if it looks tacky, if it looks cheap or whatever. But it looks good to me. Like, to be honest, it does. I think you could go out with these and like nobody would really think otherwise. They would just, you know, if they don't look too close to the sides, it looks good. Yeah, so I'm gonna move on to the next hand. Love it. Hope you liked it. I think this was a good, we all say hack. Everything is a hack. So if everything can be a hack, this is a hack. Like, this is a good hookup. I really hope you enjoyed it. Is there anything I need to tell you? Apart from using glue, I'd say not to submerge your hands in water right after. I did that the last time, and when I was washing dishes, one came off. Like, one came right off. It just flew off. I mean, I just catch it back on with the glue. Like, it wasn't that big of a deal, but it's better not to get them wet right away, and try not to do anything that will require too much pressure on your hands. That will help to preserve or to give it longevity, put it that way. This was really like, I really like them. I'm not even gonna lie, I really like them, and I think if you try it, you would too. So if you can't make it to your nail technician, this is a good option. If you have a Christmas party coming up, this is a good option. I mean, if you have a birthday party coming up, this is perfect. If you have a wedding and you maybe your nail tech not get to make it, this is a good option. So like, I'd suggest that everybody get one of these, keep it at home, so if needs be, you can use it, you know, like you can hook yourself up. But yeah, I'm not saying this is a replacement for getting your nails done professionally, by no means, but it's a good alternative if you are not able. It's not really an alternative, it's a good substitute if you're not able to make it to your nail tech. Yeah, if you have any questions, please comment them down below. Like, leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer. If you want to know about my makeup that I'm wearing, you can leave your questions below. I'll tell you what I used. I did not film a look for it, but if you really like it, I can film a look on this. Yeah, anyway guys, I think that's it. I don't think I'm leaving anything out. So yeah, if you liked this video, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. You know the drill, you know the work. And I really appreciate you for coming back. If it's, you know, not your first time, and if it is your first time, I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I like to do things that will help regular people out, so that's who I am, and that's what I'm sharing with you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, love you, doves.